Namaste all, I am Tejasvi from Cosmic Breath Spiritual Foundation. I am a practicing astrologer and a Vastu consultant. I do make videos on our ancient science, that is astrology, Yoga Shastra, Vastu Shastra and Ayurveda, because I have learned that all these Shastras are branches of our ancient science, our Vedas, and connected to the same root. So, to obtain the best results in our life, regarding any problem, if we make a perfect balance of each one of these, it leads us towards prosperity, happy and healthy life. You can reach to me for personal consultation through our website or with our office number. Both are given in description box. And I am here today to complete our long pending series about crystals. Let's get to know about citrine, the crystal to attract wealth, prosperity and success. Greek refers this citrine crystal as a golden stone. But the name citrine actually came from the French word citron as a lemon. For those who involve in business or any kind of venture where they have to deal with new clients or new partners, citrine can be the excellent for them to increase the money flow and for the base positive energy, and also from one hand to another hand dealings every day. It can be energy exchange. So citrine can help to balance and facilitate these types of energies. One of the main reasons why citrine is such amazing crystal is it helps in a spiritual, mental, emotional and material aspect of one's life. To recharge your crystal and to use it with you, you can simply use some of the remedies which I'll share with you, because whenever you use any of the crystal, especially citrine, it absorbs negativity quickly and it produces positivity. So we have to de-energize it and re-energize it again. To recharge your crystal, you can put it under the sunlight for morning 6 to 10. In Shukla Paksha it will be better, and it should be on the clean surface. And after that, the second thing is that you can simply put it under the running water. It can be natural water. If it is a natural water, river water or lake, it is too good. But looking at today's lifestyle, this is not possible. So we can simply keep it on the running tap water for 1 minute. And after that, we can keep it and re-energize it, because we all know that water has that positivity. Water has that vibrations, that thoughts, emotions, that all we can get from water to our body and to our crystals also. Another thing is that another way is that you can energize your crystal with the moonlight. Whenever there is a full moon night, you can keep your crystals lay on the very clean surface and a very clean white soft cloth in the moonlight. They will get energized. About the citrine, a simple remedy I'll give you, that whenever you are going to deal related to prosperity, money or in any kind of materialistic lifestyle dealing, you can carry this crystal or wear it as a jewelry form. So this was about the crystals. Now I will see you again tonight only with the meditation video, because tonight is the full moon night and I'm coming with chakra healing and balancing and to unblock the chakras, how to do that video. So do not miss my meditation tonight. I will upload it around 8 o'clock. After that, as per your convenience, you can just play it and sit in the open surface where you will get access of moonlight. It will heal you. Till then, stay connected to Cosmic Breath for new informations about our ancient sciences. Stay blessed, stay happy. Shubham Bhavatu.